After I heard that tip, my house smells like rich people's house. Your house will smell for 3 days and 3 nights. Even the neighbor will feel the perfume. For today's tip, we will need 3 oranges. And let's make the cuts on all 3 oranges, just like I'm doing. But do not cut to the end. Let's leave a space for the slices to still be together. And we're going to transfer one of the oranges to a container. Now let's insert from 3 tablespoons coarse salt, and let's add them over the orange. After that, we will add 2 tablespoons of alcohol over the coarse salt. The alcohol will help highlight the smell of orange, spreading very well between the slices of orange. Then we will add 25 milliliters of softener, also over the coarse salt. We will use the lid to help separate the exact amount to be used. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Carrie Cathy from Papua New Guinea. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. After that, let's separate this container and get another one. And we'll insert another orange into the other container, and again, we're going to add coarse salt between the slices of it. And we're also going to add the alcohol again over the coarse salt. After that, we will add clove over the other ingredients, spreading very well through the pot. Now let's insert the last orange into another container. And again, we will add the coarse salt. And we're also going to add the same alcohol. Finally, let's add 2 tablespoons of flavoring. And so today's tip is finished. Now come with me, that I will show methods of how to use the tip today. For sure you will love this mixture. I myself use in my bathroom and even in the kitchen. After I started using this mixture, the smell of my house became more pleasant and fragrant. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you enjoyed it. And tell me the result you had in your home. See you in the next video. Bye.